Somebody's trying to come into my house. I think it's somebody who's waiting for his breakfast. I think it's somebody who's coming for their breakfast. He's trying to figure out how to get the door open. Who is it? Who's coming? Who's coming? Well, failed attempt. If you would push down, then you'd get it. Oh, here we go. Look who's coming for breakfast. Kai, you silly. You can't come in.